Jim Collison here from the Home Server Show. Going to simulate what happens when a drive fails on a Drobo. Now, the drive won't actually fail, but we're going to simulate that by selecting to remove one of the drives and not tell the software it's going to do it. So I'm just simply going to click on the removal button, and as you see, the drive pops out. It's no longer available, and the Drobo is going to kind of go into recovery mode. You can see the lights flashing with the drives that are still in it, and a red light by the one that I pulled. If we move over to the admin console here, you can see that the Drobo is responding by going into data protection mode, and data recovery is in progress. Since we're actually going to test what this looks like when a drive fails, I'm not just going to pop the drive back in and allow it to stripe again. We're actually going to remove the drive out of the Drobo. You can see how easy that comes out. I'm going to take that drive and I'm going to insert it in a dock to format it. So you can see from the pop-up on the screen that it wants me to format the drive that I just put in. So I'm going to go ahead and select the MBR, the master boot record, and select OK. And that's actually going to take the drive that we have pulled out here, and it's going to allow me to format it. I'm going to actually click that and create a new volume. Click next, and OK, and allow it to go with all the defaults. At this point, we know that Windows then is formatting that drive, and it sees it as a healthy partition. Any data that was on there is now gone. You can see that if you go to the Advanced Controls Data tab, you get an idea of what kind of recovery process is going on. The recovery has been going on for about an hour now, and it's letting me know it has about 2 more hours of recovery to go. We're going to wait and let that complete, and we will be back when it's done. Okay, so the Drobo has completely finished now, removing the drive and moving the data around so that it's where it needs to be with the drive missing. And you can see that there's some available space for additional data if we wanted to put it on, but we're going to go ahead and add that drive back to the Drobo. So we'll come back over here. Remember, we had that formatting in the dock, and we've since moved it back into the Drobo. And we'll go ahead and insert that back in. You see how easy that just snaps into place. It will give us a series of lights in a moment as it formats it. While it's doing that, I'll show you on the back cover here. There are some instructions. I'll turn that around the right way. There are some instructions on what the lights mean. That is included right in the cover, and some folks had asked about the cover, so I'll show you how that goes on. It really just snaps on in place. I would have thought that there would have been a hinge associated with it, but no, it just comes right off there. So it's formatting the drive. We'll move back over here, and you can see it's already been added to the pool. All lights are green. We're back in working condition. I'm sure behind the scenes it's already beginning to move some data around, but at this point data protection is in place, things are set, and we are back to normal.